Good old South African prep here. So I am on my way to go collect the sheep. So here where we live, unfortunately we have got both leopard, sorry for the sun, both leopard and jackal. Jackal a little bit lower in the valley, but so what we do is we take our sheep into a hock every single night. So here's a joke for you before I take you down to the sheep. What does a traffic cop and my sheep have in common? They both love a bribe. Yes, that's terrible. Right, let me take you down, and I'll show you how we train our animals. And the reason why we train our animals is just to make it easier for us to handle them. Because if you can handle them in this way, it is much easier to treat them if they get hurt, and it's much easier to give them medicines for internal parasites and if they do have ticks. So for me, throughout my lifetime, I like animals that are taught, and we normally do it on specific times as well. So we try and keep a specific schedule, a routine basically. Okay, let me take you down. Rightio, so let the bribery begin. So here we've got where the cattle sleep. So we put in a little bit of lucerne or alfalfa, as Americans know it. So I know it's a little bit, but it is just to get them to actually work with us, because they can roam there at night, the cattle, and then that is the sheep hock. So we bribe them as well. We'll check now what the results is. So today on the menu for them is crushed corn. And the powdery stuff, it looks like cement, that is actually an anti-parasite meal or powder. And I do give them that at least twice a week. Oh, there's the cattle already waiting for us. So they know exactly what's happening. Come. So for this video I've put them in the furthest block. Let's just see what's going on here now. Come. 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 Okay, so they're a little bit slow today. Come. So we've got one at the back there, straggler. Ja, julle, hallo fetties. It's like a warm, nee. How's the baby doing? Ja, gaan met julle tweekies. Hello. Let's just wait for those two stragglers. So, as you can see, I didn't even chase them. Then there's no dog here. So let's open for them. Look at the babies. Ja, julle twee. Okay, we've got a straggler at the back, but she'll come just now. A 7-year-old child can do this, ladies and gentlemen. And then once the last one comes in, we'll actually close it up. And that is us for today. Come. Oi. Come. Kom. And there we've got the cattle in there already. Happy days. And as you can see, we're not chasing our animals. And we are done working for today. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe. South African Prepper out.